Yo, what's up, your boy KSIOlajideBT. I'm here with Mata and JMX. How are we all doing? Now today we are doing the Woodwork challenge. This is where we have to hit the left post, then the crossbar, then the right post, and the first person to do it wins. So, let's do this.
You going second or do you want me to?
I don't mind.
Oh. Rock, paper, scissors,
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, I go second.
Alright, here we go. Here's the challenge. Let's do this, yo. Alright. Okay, let's stop. Damn. I scored though. I scored. That's alright.
Go for it.
Not bad, eh? Just in the goal.
I don't think he's got this.
He's got it?
I don't think so, nah.
Did it touch?
Alright.
It touched.
I think it touched.
It touched.
This one will touch. This one will touch. Oh! That's it! There we go! What's up? That's the Juan! That's the Juan!
Crossbar?
Yeah, alright, yeah.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah. It's alright.
Oh!
Jeez. You're too used to scoring.
Ooh.
That
was a
top
good-
finish.
This
That
is
was a
top
good-
corner challenge,
That's a
right?
good goal, eh?
Top corner challenge. No.
No. Ah.
Raw.
Good one for you.
This is, yeah.
No!
Stop scoring.
This is for you.
For me.
Yeah.
I was going for crossbar.
Dude, left post.
I know. Missed it.
Oh, come on!
That was not bad.
Alright, he takes it. Oh.
Yes!
There we go. It's on the right time.
And goal. No, that was the ball. It was flat. It was flat. It was flat.
Okay. Come on. I need to hit the crossbar, man.
Yes.
Oh! Man, come on.
Ah, too much.
Come on, man.
Can I? Does that count? Do I just skip to right?
Dude, that was nice though. Dude, how did you hit that?
You do whatever you want.
Doesn't matter though. It still doesn't count.
Yes. Yes!
Come on! That's it! Oh.
I've still got to hit the left post.
Just the right
No
post.
way.
Are you sure? Are you nervous?
Slightly, you know? Slightly.
Pressure?
No pressure, bro. I got this.
Yeah.
No! The pressure got to me! No, please. For God's sake.
Don't give me the chance, eh? Don't give me the chance.
Joel, you've been left behind.
This is just falling to pieces.
Now it is. Close. If you miss this, maybe you lose, eh?
Alright. No. Oh! There's a chance. Come on, Joel. He's praying to the heavens.
This is.
Yo, the comments are gonna rinse you.
I know!
Ooh, that was going there.
No! Don't do this! Oh, yes! Oh.
Taste it for me now.
Yeah. Come on, don't think, just don't think. Yes!
Woo! There we go.
Bang!
Now time to finish this.
I'm coming.
Oh.
No. Coming back. Coming back.
Oh,
They're scared.
Stay! What was that?
That was close.
Shut up. Oh, God's sake.
Oh, it's all over.
it took its time, but
So many chances. Well, Mata won, destroyed us. Well, I mean, just about destroyed us. I was close, almost that one chance. But anyway, be sure to check out Mata's channel. Be sure to check out JMX's channel. Everything's in the description down below. And be sure to check out Rule 'em Sports. Be sure to subscribe. Check out the iVod videos. Check out the merch. Check out social media. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Thank you for watching and subscribe and peace.
this time, bottom left.
Okay.